Do you need help with your iPhone hotspot? You're not alone. It's a common issue, but don't worry. Many of us use phones as Wi-Fi hotspots, and sometimes we encounter connectivity problems. Hi, I'm Carly. In this video, I'll guide you through 11 solutions to get your hotspot working again. So, let's dive into the video and follow the steps together. Turn on Personal Hotspot. To activate your iPhone's hotspot, follow the on-screen video steps. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, tap on the Mobile Service section. As you can see here, the Personal Hotspot is grayed out because the mobile data is off. Turn on the toggle beside Mobile Data. Now we can access the Personal Hotspot settings. Here, turn on the toggle next to allow others to join. After that, open the Wi-Fi settings on your Android phone and try to connect to an iPhone hotspot. If your iPhone name doesn't appear in the available networks list, it could be due to network congestion, device compatibility, or signal strength. In such cases, tap the refresh button and check if it is available. In my case, the iPhone name is available. Tap on it to connect. Then, enter the hotspot password to connect. Make sure you know the iPhone hotspot password. This password is essential for connecting your other devices to the hotspot, and being prepared with it will make the connection process smoother. If it doesn't work, and you see services temporarily discontinued or other messages open on your Android phone, then follow the next solution. Check your active data plan. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the Mobile Service section. Here, tap on Mobile Plans. Check for the active data plans. Alternatively, you can visit your carrier's app or website for more information about your mobile data plans and usage. If you don't have an active data plan, you need to get one first. It's important to check for this plan as it could be the reason for your hotspot connectivity issues, such as data overage, plan expiration, or data blockage. Turn off on airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center. Then, tap on the airplane icon to turn it on. Wait for a few seconds and then tap to turn it off. Now, check if you're able to connect. If the iPhone hotspot is not connecting, follow the next solution. Forget and reconnect. Access the Settings app on your Android phone. Tap to open the Wi-Fi section. Here, tap the I button next to the iPhone hotspot name. Then, tap the Forget icon. The pop-up may appear on your Android phone that says, "Your phone will no longer connect to this hotspot network automatically. To reconnect, you must enter the password." If you are ready to remove or forget the Wi-Fi network, choose the Remove option. Now, toggle off the Wi-Fi on your Android and turn it back on after 10 seconds. Find the network to join. Then, enter the password to connect and see if it starts working. Change frequency band. Sometimes, a slight change in the settings may solve our problem within seconds. Your latest iPhone's frequency band is set to 5 GHz by default, which provides higher data transfer speed but a short range and is not compatible with all devices. I recommend using a 2.4 GHz frequency band because it offers a long range and is compatible with all devices. The data transfer speed may be slower than 5 GHz. Here's how to change the frequency band. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the Mobile Service section. Here, tap on Personal Hotspot. Here, turn on the toggle beside Maximize Compatibility. This setting switches your hotspot to a 2.4 GHz frequency band. So, connect your Android device to your iPhone's hotspot and see if it works. If you experience a problem, try the next solution. Turn off the VPN. For a smooth connection process, it's important to turn off the VPN on both your iPhone and Android devices. An active VPN may interfere with the connection and cause connectivity issues with your hotspot, such as IP address conflicts or authentication errors. Turn off the low power mode or power saving mode. Make sure your iPhone and Android phones have enough battery to function. If you use low power mode or a battery saver, turn it off, especially on Android. For iPhone, open the Settings app and tap on the battery section. Turn off the toggle next to the low power mode. For Android, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up and tap on the battery section. Here, tap on Power Saving Mode. Then, turn off the toggle beside Power Saving Mode. That's it. If your iPhone fails to authenticate the iPhone hotspot, experiences DHCP errors, has connectivity issues like no internet, or has IP address conflicts, try the next solution. Reset network settings. This process helps you to resolve network-related issues by restoring the default network configurations, re-establishing a stable connection, and renewing the IP address. So let's look at the steps to reset the network settings on both devices. For iPhone, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the General section. Swipe up to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, tap on the Reset option. Here, select the Reset Network setting. Your iPhone may show an Enter Passcode screen. At last, enter your screen time passcode and then tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm. Wait for some moments to restart your phone. For Android, head to the Settings app on your Android phone. Swipe up to find the Additional Settings section and tap to open it. Now, swipe to the bottom and find the Backup and Reset option. Tap on it. After that, tap on the Reset Phone section. Multiple options are available here. We want to reset network-related settings. So, tap on Reset Network and Bluetooth settings. If your device is touch or password protected, unlock it to verify your identity. A pop-up may appear on your that says Reset Network, and Bluetooth will reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth mobile network settings. Tap on Reset to confirm. That's it. Connect using Bluetooth Tethering. You can use your iPhone's mobile data to connect to the internet from another phone, tablet, or computer. This method of sharing a connection is called tethering or using a hotspot. Additionally, certain phones are capable of sharing Wi-Fi connections through tethering. Please note that some carriers may have limitations or additional charges for tethering, so I recommend verifying with your carrier beforehand. Follow the steps. First, turn on the personal hotspot on your iPhone. Make sure you have an active data plan available on your iPhone. After that, turn on the Bluetooth toggle in the Settings app. Now, on Android, first turn on the Bluetooth toggle from the Settings app. Then, enable Bluetooth Tethering. Here are the steps. Launch the Settings app and tap on the Connection and Sharing section. Then, tap on Personal Hotspot. After that, turn on the Bluetooth Tethering toggle. Now, pair both Android iPhone devices. If you don't see the iPhone name under the available devices list, tap on Refresh. Then, match the code and select the pair option on both devices. If you can't pair, then forget your Android device from the iPhone. Tap the I button next to the Android device name and select Forget this device. Then, tap on the Forget device to confirm. Now, turn off and on the Bluetooth toggle and wait until the Android device name appears under the Other Devices section. Then tap to pair. Your Android phone shows a pairing request. Select the pair option to confirm. My Android phone is connected to my iPhone. Now, tap on the I button next to the iPhone name. Turn on the toggle next to Internet access. Now, open the Chrome browser and visit any website to check if the personal hotspot is working. Don't turn off settings such as personal hotspot or Bluetooth during this time. As you can see here, I can easily access the iPhone hotspot on my Android device. This solution is helpful to me. If you cannot connect or use an iPhone hotspot, jump to the next solution. Force restart iPhone. The force restart process helps you fix the software glitches and bugs. To perform a force restart on your iPhone, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side power button until you see the Apple logo on your iPhone screen. Ignore the slide to power off option appears on your iPhone screen. If you need more help, Follow the last solution. 11. Contact Apple support. Open up the Safari browser on your iPhone or Mac computer. Then visit the Apple support website. The website link is given in the video description. Here, sign in with your Apple ID. Then, write your problem under Tell us what's happening. After that, hit the return key to search for solutions. Read the related articles suggested by Apple support or contact Apple support experts via phone or chat to get personalized solutions. That's it. I trust you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest tips and tricks videos.